Napoleon's Linear Series gas fireplaces offer complete versatility of design and limitless possibilities for absolute creative freedom. Inspired by modern technology for complete installation flexibility, the entire Linear Series provides endless opportunities to make a statement in any room. From the Ascent to the advanced Luxuria fireplace line, each series offers an increasing range of features, accessories, and flame heights, depending on your application and decor aspirations. The Ascent Series. Napoleon's Ascent Linear Series gas fireplaces are ideal for remodelers, builders, and homeowners alike. The Ascent Linear 36 and 46 comes standard with an exclusive topaz crystalline ember bed that can be enhanced with a multitude of designer media options. Optional surrounds and an eFIRE controller prove that enhancing your space has never been more distinctive or effortless. The ACES Series. The sleek aesthetics of Napoleon's ACES series gas fireplaces provide a complete luxurious experience courtesy of the Divinity flame pattern. Available as single-sided and see-through units, the ACES 38 and ACES 50 allow you to enjoy the radiance of the topaz crystalline ember bed from any room in your home. Shallow framing and depth allow for versatile installation possibilities, while optional surrounds and media enhancements allow you to make your own stylized statement. The Vector Series. Making a bold presentation has never been more attainable with Napoleon's Vector Series gas fireplaces. With sizes ranging from 38 to 74 inches, single-sided and see-through units, the Vector Series is built for flexibility. The included LED Ember Bed and eFIRE app give you complete control over the way you use your fireplace. Dynamic heat control provides the innovation to grant you increased comfort and regulation of the heat in your home while providing zero clearance installation possibilities. Indulge in sophistication with premium media options, creating a marriage of beauty and functionality. The Luxuria Series. With the largest flames in the Linear lineup, Napoleon's Luxuria Series provides limitless possibilities. With a range of sizes from 38 to 74 inches, single-sided and see-through units, the Luxuria Series delivers true elegance and superior technology. This award-winning series features a premium glass guard system, meaning no screen is required, giving you a complete unobstructed view of the alluring flame pattern. Dynamic heat control provides increased flexibility, allowing heat to be transferred away from the glass for greater installation options and comfort. Premium media options produce a truly one-of-a-kind look to make your Luxuria Series fireplace the focal point of any room. With the most versatile lineup in the industry, Napoleon's Linear Series gas fireplaces combine luxury and inspiration with advanced technology to make each and every moment extraordinary.